Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back. In today's video update here for Quant, we are trading at $124.24. 24-hour volume, we're up 44%, and market cap, we are down 1.72%. So heading over to our 1 hour time frame, we are looking very, very positive here on that short immediate term. Now, one of the things that I do want to cover in this video itself is the trend strength. When we take a look at the trend strength, what we are looking for is very big impulses. The candlestick wicks or bodies are very, very big, and the corrections or retracements are very minimal. So as the price here fixated at the very bottom at $119, gained a traction here for the audience, coming down to that correction, coming all the way up. And this is here is a very strong uptrend, as we can see that the candlestick bodies are really big. And of course, it is favoring the bulls side as well. As we see the correction coming down, it only lasted a roughly around 3 candlesticks, equivalent to 3 hours, with the essential pump at the very top here. Now, the very top here is something that we're going to be taking a look at because it's either, weakness of that current trend or a possible reversal that we are looking into in the next couple of hours. So as we can see at the very top here, this is one of our signals that we see is this candlestick itself. Now, this candlestick here is an inverted hammer candlestick, or, essentially we can always take a look at the body and what the candlestick wicks ultimately show us. So at the very top here, we see this candlestick wick at the very top, and the body is below 50% of the candlestick range too. So it's showing us an exhaustion or a possible exhaustion of this uptrend, that the majority of this 1 hour was pushed below the 50% of a battle between the bulls and the bears, and who was successful was the bears itself, pushing the body as low below that 50%. And of course, we take a look at the candlestick next to it. We've got, again, that huge body below that 50% activity. Now, already we can see that we are close to that threshold of our trend line. If we wanted the strength of this uptrend, this candlestick right here should have produced another swing high. So our swing high candlesticks of these waves are essentially creating higher peaks. We have that short correction, that natural correction of that marketplace. Depending on how steep those corrections are, we'll be able to determine if the marketplace is losing that current trend momentum or that trend strength as well. So because this candlestick here failed to produce another swing high compared to the previous action here, is another one hint that we are taking a look at, is because it didn't create that swing high, the price itself is going to come down. And already we see that selling phase because the bulls couldn't push that price any higher. Then the majority of the shares of the bears are taking over of that selling majority. And again, here we see that body below that 50% didn't create any wicks at the very bottom. We can see that at the very top here of this candlestick that produced that previous swing high has triggered that sell opportunity already, considered to be overbought at 99% for our K line. Already we had broken that trend, and it could be a possible reversal here. So as we can see, for an area of support where this candlestick may end, depending on how fast the majority of the audience is, we're taking a look at $122.60 from this area of some supply and demand. Again, if there is that audience out there that's willing to buy it at this feature here. Now, one of the things too that we want to take a look at is the strength of our moving averages. So our moving averages are all above the current price here. We can see the 200, 100, 50 moving average and 20 moving average. So if the price for today closes below the 20 moving average in multiple of our candlesticks, we are going to see this trend for Quant ultimately break and is going to go into a downtrend here. So that is basically what I'm taking a look at. I accidentally went over to ETC. That's basically what I am looking at here for Quant. Thank you guys so much for tuning in. If you found the video insightful, like and subscribe to the channel, but I'll see you guys next time. Bye.